How to clear cache in Google Chrome. So if you want to delete your browser cache in your Google Chrome, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Google Chrome application. Once you're under the Google Chrome, now you just need to simply go with the upper right, which has that three dots, and you need to go with the delete browsing data option. Once you click on it, now it will take you to this kind of interface where you will have two options. One is basic and the other one is advanced. So you just need to simply go with the advanced section and go with the time range. Under time range, you can simply choose all time, last hour or last 24 hours, 7 days, 4 weeks. So I'll be choosing last hour, and then you can go with browsing history. Select the things that you would like to delete. So I'll be choosing browsing history and cookies and other site data, cached images and files. And if you want to delete the passwords and other signing data, you can go with it. And you can also choose autofill form data, but I'll not choose those things. And once you're done selecting it, just go with delete data. And that's it. That's how you can clear your cache in your Google Chrome. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.